Well, this is going to be a super short video because I'm sending this out to ask all the folks who have a Fusion Sport with the V6 2.7. I'll show you what my question is going to be about, but basically it's got 5,000 miles on it, and it's my wife's car. She took it to go get the oil change instead of having me do it, which is fine with me. And now, like for a couple days after that, we've had oil spots on the driveway where she parks it. So I'm gonna check it out and see what's going on. So there you go. I got it up in the air. I just can't get over how much stuff they got in this compartment, and it looks pretty tight. I do know that I checked to see if there's any leak around the oil filter, and it does not seem to be leaking there any. So as you can tell, I put it up on jack stands, but ramps, so I could take a peek at it. And we'll take a peek at it here real quick. I'm just still amazed at all the stuff under here. So just a second. So I determined that it's leaking right here, and I also think that this is, and correct me if I'm wrong, I haven't even looked at the owner's manual yet, but I think this is the drain plug for the oil. So, and it appears to be a plastic oil pan. So it looks like I got a leak here. It looks like I need some feedback from everybody to let me know what I need to do to fix this. I don't know. I don't understand. It seems tight. I don't see any cracks. It's just leaking. So if anybody has any suggestions, I'd greatly appreciate it. Just put them in the comments or send me a private message. So there you have it. If you can help, I'd greatly appreciate it. It's a short video. I just need some help. Do I need to get a new plug? Do I just take it to the dealer and say, what the hell? I don't know. I don't know if this is a common issue, and I can't believe it looks like they got like a plastic oil pan. So if you got any help for me, please put it in the comments below. Like always, I appreciate it. And please like, comment, subscribe, share, do whatever you're going to do. But thank you for all the support.